Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tips by Anil, and in this video we will learn how we can create the project and publish to Project Web App. So we will create project using Microsoft Project. So here we have created resource management in my previous video. Now we will create this as a project and we will publish it on Project Web App. So I will just pick this URL, okay, and click on add button. Here you can type any display name like tips PWA, and here the URL. Click on OK button. Now close it, okay, and reopen it again. Now I will reopen it. It will take few seconds to creating your account on Project Web App. Yes, now go in File, click on Info, and here you can see the test tips PWA is connected. All right, now I will click on this save button. So here it will asking for the name. So I will provide the name resource management project. All right, now here are option for type or template. What is the template? I already created a video for you. You can watch that. And here it's asking for department. So we don't have any custom field for department configured. So right now it's coming as a blank. And here all are the fields are coming as a blank because we don't have created any custom field. All right, now click on save. So it will be saved on Project Web App. So it's saying is enterprise standard calendar are needed. Enterprise standard calendar are required to build a team for non-enterprise project. Save a non-enterprise project into server. Import resources to the enterprise. This may result in change to schedule date. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want continue for now. The currency for this project is different from the currency specified by the server. Okay, the maintain consistency in the enterprise level report, you should use the same currency on the server. So it's saying the things are available on the Microsoft project are different from the web. I won't continue. Okay, so it's saved. Now if you will go over here right now, you can see right now there is no project. Why? Because we have to publish the project. Go on info and click on publish project. All right, so it will take few seconds. Save completed successfully and publishing 42% completed. Wait for a second. It will publish our project 100% in few minutes. In few seconds, publish completed successfully. Now if I'll go on this project center and you can see our project has been created. All right, resource management project. The same schedule you can see in this project. All right, task 1, task 2 and task 3. Okay, so this is how you can create your project using Project Professional to Project Web App. Now here if you will create the project, here are SharePoint task list and enterprise project. Here are two template. Basically there are enterprise project type. These are enterprise project type. So if you want to create a project with different enterprise project type, you can do that also. I will let you know in my next video. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.